Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with the one and only CrazeeTash, never two. So guys, yeah, I've been gone a while, but this time has been for a valid reason. Went through the hardest time of my life. My dad passed, and actually the last vlog that I was trying to vlog for you guys was me like trying to do a lot of things to get him like some healthy drinks and some healthy stuff and medication and stuff to try to see if we could preserve his life a little bit longer, but it seems like it was too late. Seems like my movement was too late. So it's July now. Today is July 2nd, and he passed away on April 23rd. Yeah, he passed away on April 23rd. I've not recovered. I'm still going through it. Just up to yesterday, I was at work just crying. They had to tell me to step off the floor, but yeah, making it out. My mind, I wasn't here, but I'm trying my best to get back into a routine. Guys, I was even sick. Like a few days after the funeral, I was sick. I couldn't walk. Literally had to have a walking stick. Couldn't walk. So it seems like even the way how emotionally hit I was, it started affecting me physically, which resulted in other things. But yeah, so I'm trying my best to get back into something I love, because at the end of the day, have to still cater to me. So I'm trying my best. And yeah, we're here. So we're starting off this vlog. We're home today. Guys, we're actually supposed to go on the road. Mommy's here this week. Mommy's here. We're supposed to go on the road. We're supposed to go to the zoo, because a few vlogs ago, last time we go to the zoo, we only focused on bird. But about 100 bird, guys, and not with us nothing else. So we wanted to go to the zoo, but there is this heat wave. That's outside. The temperature is gonna go up to like 120. So guess who not go outside? No, not going out there, because the fact of the matter, you have to walk around in the zoo. To see the animals. Mind you, that's literally central for the heat. Not gonna work. So we're not gonna do that today. But I have a few stuff on the agenda. We have to go on the road because we actually have to return some of our empty bottles. So we have to go down the road for that. I want my hair to wash, I have my nails to do, and I have to like get my hair together. So we have that on the agenda today. Then if mommy want, we'll go on the road a little bit, like in the area, probably go get a drink, go Dunkin', go Starbucks, something. So let's see, but let's get our morning started. We have to work out first of all, so let's get breakfast together.
What's on your mind, baby? Too much for you lately. I know you want me to be there for you, not even there for myself. Baby, it's a cry for help. So baby, let me just hold you closer. You got me here overdosing, behaving like I got.
Okay, so the time is now 9:20. We have until 3 for the match to start. So I make breakfast, or pre-workout breakfast. Make a pre-workout breakfast, and then I'll go on the road for do the back of them.
What's on your mind, baby? Too much for you lately. Know you want me to be there for you.
Guys, but see I'm a dying trial. And I see park out there for. You see why I never want to go outside? You see how it plays at? The grid It's so overstacked. Everybody have my name AC. See power cut. Can't cut off the light. Today was July 2nd. I never see power cut in my life. In America. Bigger power cut. Carl Caned. Carl Caned. Father God. So he now kill me? Eh? Okay. Cabin? I ain't even my dad trial. I don't have my balloons. So I'm gonna use this one. Put it in this. It's like the best gadget ever. Mommy, mommy, come and work out. Mommy,
No,
mommy.
no.
No, get up. Mommy, mommy. Guys, see? I'm going to do. I'm going to do my workout. Okay, let's get it. Let there be light. All right, workout time, workout time, workout time, workout time. Want to see? You gotta work out, right? You gotta work out. No excuses.
Plenty, 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 Shancy. I'm gonna get you there eventually. Trust me, I'm gonna make you say you love me before you love me. My girl, slide through. Come get this good, good love I provide you.
Guys, reach at the back of the coffee place. And oh my god, your hand. We have this bag and this one right here. So we finished with the bottle return. So we're heading. Yeah, I head home. We're gonna make a stop first and thing, guys. The lucky thing we decided that we're really gonna go at the zoo because out here brutal. Don't you, mommy? Eh? Eh? Yeah, out here brutal. I'm not gonna tell no lie. Yeah, but we make a stop and thing. Yeah, there's nobody literally on the street. There's literally nobody on the street. Light set of people. Probably only people that I go to work or some I go man sit on the road. Eh? Yeah. Sorry. Large. Yeah. Guys, we're in Juicy Patties. We got 2 cheese patties, so we're waiting to collect it now. Waiting on the order. Whoa! Guys, happy 4th of July! The grill is on. Let's set up a grill. Outside too hot. Could go outside with this. Too hot. Indoor grilling. Sausage pan grill. I'm gonna do the burger now. No, I don't have use, but Moving.